Look, my new electric bike. I wonder, how fast will it go? And can I make it go even faster? I have been riding this bike stock for a week, and it is limited to a standard 25 km per hour EU legal speed limit, but it is very easy to pedal. So actually I'm constantly seeing over 30 km per hour speed on the bike screen just by casually pedaling over the legal limit. But let's make an official test. How fast does this bike go stock? Yeah, it is 32 km per hour, and I was not even trying. I do like the acceleration, it picks up speed really easy, especially for a fat tire bike. To open up bike settings, hold plus and minus buttons together and enter code 1313. Hit plus to scroll through the settings, screen brightness, kilometers or miles, battery voltage, something, assist levels, wheel size. Okay, it's number 8. Looks like the speed limit is number 8. Hit menu button to enter and increase speed to 35. Let's put 40 just to be safe. And hold menu button to save. Somehow it feels slower. Lol, I forgot to turn level 5 assist. It picks speed really fast now. And it is 40 km per hour. Well, I guess I set the speed limit too low. This bike might be able to go even faster. So again, let's hold plus and minus buttons together, enter the code, and let's set the speed limit to 50 now. Okay, it was saying 40 km per hour. But let's just try one last time because of that car. Okay, I saw 43 km per hour now top. Very impressive result. And way more fun when riding on a stock settings with EU speed limit. So yeah, I'm doing a full review on this bike. Leave any questions in the comments below and I will try to answer your comments in the full video.